In today's video, we're going to be talking about Udemy, one of the most popular online learning platforms out there. Whether you're looking to learn new skills, advance your career, or explore a hobby, Udemy has something for everyone with its extensive library of courses. By the end of this review, you are going to have a complete understanding of how Udemy works, its key features, prices, pros and cons, and whether it's the right platform for you. Make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to give you a full tour of the platform. Let's dive in. So what is Udemy? Udemy is an online learning platform that has become one of the largest and most well-known websites for self-paced education. Udemy has grown exponentially, offering more than 200,000 courses to over 50 million students globally. What makes Udemy stand out is that it caters to both professionals looking to expand their skill set and hobbyists seeking personal development. Unlike traditional educational institutions, Udemy courses are typically not accredited, but they provide you with practical knowledge that you can apply immediately. Udemy is essentially a marketplace for online learning. Instructors from all over the world can create courses on just about any subject, from programming and data science to music theory, art, fitness, and even personal development. Students pay to access these courses, and once enrolled, they get lifetime access to the material, meaning that you can revisit the courses whenever you want. The platform allows instructors to create video lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, assignments, and more. This ensures that the courses offer a well-rounded learning experience. Whether you're looking to improve your technical skills, dive into personal development, or explore a new hobby, Udemy's flexibility and wide-ranging catalog make it a popular choice for learners worldwide. One of Udemy's major strength lies in its robust set of features, which make it appealing to both instructors and students. Let's explore some of these key features in detail. Massive course selection. Udemy's catalog boasts over 200,000 courses, making it one of the largest online learning platforms available. Courses cover an extensive range of topics from professional skills like coding, digital marketing, and business development to personal hobbies like yoga, painting, and cooking. The vast selection ensures that no matter what you're looking to learn, Udemy probably has a course for it. Courses are also available in more than 75 languages, which adds to the platform's appeal as a global educational hub. This makes Udemy an inclusive platform for learners from different parts of the world who might prefer content in their native language. Lifetime access to courses. One of Udemy's standout features is lifetime access. Once you purchase a course, you get access to the materials forever. There are no deadlines and no expiration dates. This flexibility is particularly appealing for learners who have busy schedules or want to learn at their own pace. Whether you're in a hurry to complete the course in a matter of days or you want to spread the lessons over several months, the course will always be available to you. Affordability and frequent discounts. Udemy is known for being incredibly affordable, especially compared to traditional educational institutions or other online platforms with monthly subscription models. Courses typically range from $10 to $200, but Udemy frequently offers massive discounts sometimes, as much as 90% off. But we're going to dive into pricing even more towards the end of this video. Downloadable resources and offline learning. Most Udemy courses come with additional downloadable resources such as PDF, workbooks, and exercises that supplement the video lessons. These materials can be extremely helpful for students who want to reinforce their learning through practice. Also, Udemy's mobile app allows students to download videos and watch them offline. This feature is ideal for those who want to learn on the go, whether during commutes or while traveling, without needing a consistent internet connection. Instructor diversity. Udemy's open platform allows anyone to create and sell courses, which results in a wide array of instructor diversity. Instructors range from industry professionals and academic experts to passionate hobbyists. The benefit of this is that learners are exposed to various teaching styles and methods depending on the instructor they choose. However, the drawback here is that course quality varies, as there is no strict vetting process for instructors. Some courses are led by highly qualified individuals with deep industry expertise, while others may be created by less experienced instructors. Interactive learning. Udemy isn't just about watching videos, it's about engaging with the content. Most courses come with quizzes, coding exercises, assignments, and projects that help students apply what they've just learned. These interactive elements keep students engaged and ensure that they're actively learning rather than passively consuming information. Udemy also has a Q&A section within each course where students can ask questions questions and instructors can respond. This interaction helps clarify doubts and fosters a more dynamic learning experience. Certificates of completion. Upon completing a Udemy course, students receive a certification of completion. While these certificates are not accredited, they can still be a valuable addition to your resume or LinkedIn profile, especially if you're looking to demonstrate new skills to potential employers or clients. Certifications can also serve as a personal motivator, marking your achievement and giving you a sense of accomplishment. Before we get into the pricing and overview of Udemy, let's explore the pros and cons to help you weigh whether the platform aligns with your learning style and objectives. Pros: wide range of courses. With over 200 courses across countless topics, Udemy offers an unparalleled variety of learning opportunities. Whether you're looking to advance professionally or pick up a new hobby, Udemy likely has a course for you. Affordable. Udemy's regular sales make it one of the most cost-effective learning platforms out there. This makes it an excellent choice for those who value budget-conscious learning. Self-paced learning. Udemy's lifetime access allows students to learn at their own pace. There are no deadlines, so you can take the time you need and revisit lessons whenever necessary. Another pro is the mobile-friendly and offline access. The ability to download your course for offline viewing is a major advantage for learners who want flexibility and convenience. Variety of instructors. As discussed prior, Udemy's open marketplace model means you can learn from a diverse pool of instructors, each offering unique insights and teaching styles. Another huge pro is the interactive learning. Courses typically come with quizzes, assignments, and projects, helping you apply what you've learned and reinforce the concepts. Global reach. With courses available in over 75 languages, Udemy is truly a global platform, making it accessible to learners worldwide. Let's go over a few cons. Inconsistent quality. The open marketplace model means that anyone can create a course, which can lead to some inconsistent quality. Some courses are excellent, while others may lack depth or clarity. Another con is the non-accredited certificates. While Udemy offers certificates of completion, these are not officially accredited, which means they may not hold as much weight in certain professional or academic contexts. Limited instructor interaction. Although Udemy courses include Q&A sections, the level of interaction between students and instructors can be limited, especially in larger courses where there may be many students. Another con is that promotions can be confusing. The frequent discounts and sales can sometimes make it difficult to determine a course's true value. Some users may feel like the original prices are inflated to make the discounts seem more attractive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing options and how to sign up. To access Udemy, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description and you will be brought to this page. What you'll want to do is click the sign up button, and from here you'll type in your full name, your email, and a password. You can go ahead and click sign up. Once you get logged in, here you will see the homepage of the site. Let's go ahead and look at the pricing options. If you don't want to purchase each course one by one, there's many options for you. So starting off with the personal plan, it starts at $20 per month. From here, you have access to 12,000 plus top courses, certification prep, goal focus recommendations, and AI-powered coding exercises. You can also try this plan for free. Moving on to the team plan. So this is for 2 to 20 people, and this starts at $30 a month per user, billed annually. You can cancel at any time. Here you have access to 12,000 plus top courses, certification prep, goal focus recommendations, AI-powered coding exercises, analytics, and adoption reports. You also can try this plan for free. Moving on to the enterprise plan. This is for your whole organization. So this is for people who want more than 20 users. You do have to contact sales for pricing, and you can request a demo here, but you get access to 27,000 plus top courses, certification prep, goal focus recommendations, AI-powered coding exercises, advanced analytics, a dedicated customer success team. You also get international course selection featuring 15 languages, customizable content, hands-on tech training with add-on, and strategic implementation services with add-on. Moving on to the Leadership Academy, and this is for cohort programs to develop your leaders. This is for groups of 25 or more, and again, you have to contact sales for pricing. But for the Leadership Academy plan, you get expert-led leadership training, research-based content creation, applied learning toolkits and group coaching, as well as live virtual events, AI-powered analytics, and strategic implementation services with add-on. So make sure you choose the plan that works best for you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the site in depth. So here you can see the homepage, and with this homepage here you can look specifically into different types of courses. So there's development, business, finance and accounting, IT and support, office productivity, personal development, design, marketing, health and fitness, music. There are so many options for you to choose from. You also can search for anything. So let's go ahead and say mindset course and see what comes up. Here you can see there are 10,000 results. You also can filter over here by rating, by language, and hands-on practice, as well as video duration, topic, level, subtitles, and so much more. It is so customizable, and they make it really easy for you to filter and find the best course for you. So if we go back to the homepage, it also provides you with recommendations based on what you've searched. So I previously looked up dog training, so now it has punishment-free dog training, 30 days to perfect dog blueprint. So here you can see all of the other similar courses. You also can see which ones are the highest rated. When you click on a course, you'll see exactly what you can learn. So this one, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how dogs and other animals learned, understand the science of behavior modification and how it applies to dog training, and more. You also can see what the course content is going to look like. So you can see there's the introduction, and within each section, it'll show how many modules and how long each section is too. So you can see how much time you're going to need to dedicate. There's also the requirements as well as the description and who the course is for. So again, you can buy each individual course, or signing up for one of their plans, you can get a ton of unlimited options. What you can also do is go ahead and click My Learning, and here you can schedule a learning time, which is awesome. So to get started, you'll click this and you can type in a different name for it, or you can call it Learning Reminder, and then you can search which content you want to add, and then you can select if it's daily, weekly, or once, and then click next, and then you can go ahead and set that reminder up. Also, if you go to your specific account, you can see your learning, your cart. You can also add items to a wish list. You also can teach on Udemy. You can set up notifications and messages. You also can see your subscriptions, your Udemy credits, purchase history, and so much more. So to get started with Udemy, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. Next, let's talk about who should use Udemy. Udemy's platform is suited for a variety of learners, making it a great choice for many self-paced learners. If you enjoy freedom to learn at your own pace without being tied to deadlines, Udemy's lifetime access model is perfect. Whether you're juggling work, school, or family commitments, you can learn at a time and speed that works for you. It's also for budget-conscious learners. If cost is a major factor, Udemy's affordable pricing and frequent discounts offer a fantastic value. You can access high-quality content for a fraction of the price compared to other learning platforms or formal education programs. Next, it's also for professionals looking to upskill. Udemy has a strong catalog of career-focused courses in fields like programming, digital marketing, and data science, making it a great choice for professionals who want to improve their skills or transition to new roles. Hobbyists and creatives. For those looking to explore new hobbies or enhance their creativity, Udemy has courses in music, photography, writing, and fitness, among so many others. The flexibility of Udemy's model makes it ideal for anyone wanting to learn in their free time without significant financial investment. It's also great for international learners. With courses available in more than 75 languages, Udemy is an accessible platform for learners from all around the world, making it a global hub for knowledge. So, is Udemy worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for an affordable, flexible way to learn new skills or explore personal interests. Udemy is one of the best platforms for self-paced learning, with an expansive course catalog and lifetime access to content. While the certificates aren't accredited and course quality can vary, Udemy's low cost, frequent sales, and interactive features make it a valuable resource for personal development and professional development. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what Udemy has to offer and whether it's the right fit for your learning needs. If you're ready to get started with Udemy, make sure you click that exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best online learning platforms and strategies to elevate your skills. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.